Mauro.
Kevin.
So paint finishes and levels of sheen we're talking about, huh?
Absolutely. Choosing the right color is important. Also the sheen.
And look at all the choices right here. So if we have sheen, I get it. If we have no sheen at all, what do we call that?
Dead flat.
That's flat.
Flat, completely flat.
And then the first level of sheen?
This one we call matte finish.
Matte. So flat, none, matte's where we start.
It's
Gotcha.
a very little sheen. And from here down, the all has more sheen than the one on the top.
Okay.
This one over here we call the eggshell.
Yeah.
And it's good for walls, it's cleanable, and it's durable.
So does that suggest that this one's really not cleanable, the matte here?
That's not very cleanable, no.
Gotcha. And from here down,
From here down, they all good, cleanable, and durable.
And as we get more sheen as we go down,
As you go down.
do they get more durable and easier to clean?
Easier to clean, absolutely. Eggshell. Then the next one down is the satin.
Okay.
Which you can use all the way around your house.
Yeah.
Trim in general. And then the next one down is the semi-gloss.
Yeah, semi-gloss.
Semi-gloss is the one that everybody loves for all the woodwork, your doors, and even your walls.
And what about the last guy?
This is the gloss finish. The gloss finish is really resistant, it's durable, and the more glossy you get, the more resistant the paint will be.
So that's what I'm hearing, right? So
Yeah.
the higher the sheen, we're getting more protection, and that's because whatever they use to get the sheen, that's the hard, durable coating.
Exactly, that's what they have. The more sheen you see it, is durability talking.
So I was going to ask you which one you like the best, but you love them all because you just told me you love this, you love
I love just about every single one of it, but on the right surface. Like the matte finish, I like for my walls. So the eggshell, also the walls, very durable, cleanable, nice.
Okay.
And then the satin I like for trim. Trim, doors, baseboard, name it. Anything woodwork inside your house goes really well. But it's about preference.
Yeah.
Some people like the semi-gloss better because it reflects a little more light and looks good.
And your ceilings, if you were painting a room, because you gave me walls and trim.
Flat for ceilings.
I also feel like it has sort of come and gone with the trends because glossy seemed to be more in decades ago, and now we've sort of, tempered it down a little bit.
We temper it down a little bit, but I still see some of that. Let's say you want to highlight something inside your real house. I've seen a lot of gloss ceiling, darker colors.
Oh, you know what? We've done it a couple times.
We've done a couple.
And you've done the super high gloss for a real accent piece, like a front door or something like that.
Exactly. If you want to accent something like your front door or inside and out, always nice.
So mix and match.
Mix and match. You balance the sheens out. Flat, eggshell, satin or semi-gloss, and a gloss finish for an accent, something in the
Gotcha.
house.
All right. Well, good information. Thank you, Mauro.
Thank you.
Thanks for watching. This Old House has got a video for just about every home improvement project, so be sure to check out the others. And if you like what you see, click on the subscribe button to make sure that you get our newest videos right in your feed.